Does your dream home resemble a hurricane zone after a long day? Wish you could walk in and everything was magically organized, prepped for your arrival? Welcome to the future of smart homes, powered by the magic of artificial intelligence, AI. Forget struggling with remotes and endless errands. AI can automate your life, personalize your environment, and even keep you safe. But is AI just a fancy gimmick, or a game changer for modern living? Can it truly revolutionize the way we experience our homes? Join us on a journey to explore the fascinating world of smart homes and AI. We'll discover how AI can transform your home from a chaotic space to a haven of comfort and convenience. We'll answer the burning questions about privacy, security, and the future of this exciting technology. So grab a seat, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock the potential of smart homes powered by AI. This is one tech adventure you won't want to miss. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI? AI refers to the ability of machines to mimic human cognitive functions like learning and problem solving. In a smart home context, AI is embedded in various devices, allowing them to interact with their environment and respond to user preferences. Here are some key ways AI is used in smart homes. Machine learning. Smart home devices learn your habits and routines over time. For example, a smart thermostat can adjust the temperature based on your typical schedule, ensuring a comfortable environment when you arrive home. Natural language processing, NLP. This allows you to interact with your smart home using voice commands. Imagine saying, "Hey Google, turn on the lights," or "Alexa, set the coffee maker for 7 a.m. Predictive analytics. AI can predict your needs and take proactive measures. For example, a smart security system might activate lights if it detects motion at night, deterring potential intruders. Now, let's explore the many benefits of integrating AI into your smart home. 1. Convenience. Imagine the ease of controlling your entire home with your voice or a simple app. AI takes the guesswork out of adjusting settings, creating a truly effortless living experience. 2. Comfort. AI can personalize your environment based on your preferences. Think lights automatically dimming in the evening for a relaxing atmosphere, or a smart speaker playing your favorite music when you walk in the door. 3. Energy efficiency. AI can optimize your home's energy consumption. For example, a smart thermostat can learn when you're away and adjust the temperature accordingly, reducing unnecessary energy use. 4. Security. AI-powered security systems can learn your regular patterns and identify anomalies. This can deter break-ins and provide peace of mind when you're away from home. 5. Accessibility. For people with disabilities, AI can be a game changer. Voice controls and automation features can make daily tasks easier and more independent. Of course, no technology is perfect. Here are some challenges to consider with AI in smart homes. Privacy concerns. AI systems collect data on your habits and preferences. It's crucial to choose devices with robust security measures and understand how your data is being used. Reliance on technology. While convenient, overdependence on AI can make us less adaptable in case of a system malfunction. It's important to maintain a basic understanding of manual controls. Cost. Implementing a fully AI-powered smart home can be expensive. However, the technology is becoming more affordable, and many devices offer entry-level features. Technical complexity. Setting up and managing an AI-powered smart home can require some technical know-how. However, many systems are becoming user-friendly, and online resources can offer guidance. The future of AI in smart homes is bright. Here are some exciting possibilities on the horizon. 1. Proactive home management. Imagine AI anticipating your needs before you even express them. For example, a smart refrigerator might suggest recipes based on your dietary preferences and available ingredients. 2. Enhanced security and safety. AI-powered security systems will become even more sophisticated, potentially integrating with facial recognition or anomaly detection. 3. Personalized experiences. AI will personalize your entire smart home experience, adjusting lighting, temperature, and entertainment based on your mood and preferences. These are just a few glimpses into the exciting possibilities that AI holds for smart homes. However, it's important to remember that AI development needs to be responsible and ethical. User privacy, data security, and fair access to technology are crucial considerations as we move forward. If you're learning something new in this video, give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell to encourage us for making more videos like this. Ready to explore the world of AI in your own home? Here are some tips to get started. Firstly, start small. Don't try to automate everything at once. Begin with a few key devices like a smart speaker or a learning thermostat. Secondly, research compatibility. Ensure your chosen devices work together seamlessly. Many brands offer ecosystems designed for easy integration. Thirdly, consider your needs. Think about what aspects of your home life you'd like to automate. Do you prioritize convenience, security, or energy efficiency? Fourthly, prioritize security. Choose devices with strong encryption and clear data security policies. Be mindful of what data you share and how it's used. Lastly, embrace learning. There's a learning curve when it comes to AI-powered smart homes. Don't hesitate to consult online resources or user manuals for guidance. The future of smart homes and AI is a collaborative effort. As users, we have a voice in shaping how this technology develops. By prioritizing privacy, security, and responsible innovation, we can create AI-powered smart homes that truly enhance our lives and contribute to a more sustainable future. So, are you ready to embrace the future and live in an AI-powered smart home? The choice is yours. Remember, the technology should serve us, not the other way around. With careful planning and a focus on responsible innovation, smart homes with AI can become a seamless extension of ourselves, creating a comfortable, efficient, and secure living environment for everyone. If you want to dive deep into the world of smart homes and everything that is needed to know about home automation, then you should check this video that appears on the screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech adventures. We've got a whole world of innovation to explore.